How's it going, everybody? My name is Austin and welcome to the Powerstruck YouTube channel. If you guys are new to the channel, this is not a normal video for me. I don't normally get into like political stuff, but this is something that I honestly can't just sit around and not say anything about. I've really contemplated making this video. I've talked to my wife about it because this is something that I don't know if it was like gonna cross the line if I said anything, but this is something that is very near and dear to my heart, and if it gets attacked and taken away, I honestly don't know who I would be. If as dramatic as that sounds, automotive industry, cars, trucks, whatever, it's part of who I am, and I know it's a part of a lot of you guys. So if you guys don't already know what's going on, a lot of YouTubers I know have already made videos, and I contemplated even making a video because I'm a very small YouTuber. I'm less than 10,000 subscribers, but it's something that I figured anybody should talk. I mean, everybody should talk about if you care about the automotive industry. Get as much awareness out there as you can to help fight this. This isn't anything new. We know about the EPA and the Clean Air Act and everything, but there's a new revised, I don't remember which one it is, but it's a revised thing. I'll have links below. I'll put stuff up here. I'm not just spewing bull. So owning a diesel, I already know that the EPA hates our kind. So as we all know, back in 2015-16, got really dark for the diesel world. A lot of guys were getting fined major amounts of money for selling delete devices for trucks, tuning and stuff like that. But basically what the EPA is doing, and I'm gonna read stuff, this is from EPA.gov, like this is from these guys. This isn't just some bull on the internet that I'm reading. I made sure that I would get you guys the best facts that I could. So basically, section 203A3B of the Clean Air Act makes it a violation for any person to manufacture, sell, or offer to sell or install any part or component, i.e. defeat device, intended to use with or as part of any motor vehicle or motor vehicle engine where a principal effect of the part or component is to bypass, defeat, or render inoperative any device or element of design installed on or in a motor vehicle or motor vehicle engine in compliance with the regulations under Title II of the Clean Air Act. The Clean Air Act prohibits any person from knowingly removing or rendering inoperative or tampering any such emission control device or element of design. EPA regulations establish the same prohibitions on tampering and defeating devices for non-road vehicles, engines, and equipment. Are you kidding me? So not only are they already attacking anybody that wants to do any sort of modifications to their vehicles, take exhaust off, tuning, camshaft, anything that changes the emissions of the vehicle, because obviously every vehicle now has to get past the EPA and make sure that it meets the regulations. I'm not sure how the Hellcat exists, but it does. But anyways, what they're doing is they're attacking the aftermarket world pretty heavy, to where exhausts aren't going to be allowed anymore. Camshafts, tuning is going to be a major thing because tuning changes how the car runs, changes how much fuel is being dumped into the cylinder and all that. But the part that got me majorly, like that's all issues for me, but what really got me, non-road use vehicles. So what, race cars, tractor pull vehicles, truck pulls, all that stuff is going to be under major attack. So like I said, it's not just diesels being attacked anymore, it's everything aftermarket in the automotive industry. So not only will it affect the aftermarket industry, which is a billion-dollar business, I mean that is a huge industry, it's going to affect the local economies as well. Think about all your local shops that sell exhausts and stuff, all the mom and pop shops that are local, all your local racetracks, drift events, all that stuff is going to go away, and it's going to heavily impact your economy in your local places. Racetracks that, you know, rent out so that way you can have track days or drift days or whatever, all that's going to go away. You won't even be able to do that stuff anymore. So I just want to make this video, I guess not sweet, but short. I wanted to help spread the awareness because this is something that I didn't even know was a thing until just now. I watched a couple YouTube videos and did my own reading, like I said, but it's kind of scary that this all just slipped under the radar like that. And I just really wanted to help spread awareness. So please share this video like wildfire, get it out there. We need to fight back against this. This is crazy. Racing will disappear. It'll only be professional racing, and for people that have a lot of money. Us guys that do this as a hobby and because it's part of who we are, won't be able to do it anymore. So please do your reading. Links will be down below. Share this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.